If you put your finger in a banana, put a branch of aloe vera in it, and plant the whole thing, you'll be able to grow aloe vera 3 times faster. If you take a tea bag, open it and put a seed in it, you'll be able to germinate them more easily. If you take a plastic pot, cut a hole in it, and put an upside-down plant in it, you'll have some great hanging plants. If you stretch some coat hangers and put them over climbing plants, you'll have a great green wall. If you put a plant on the top of a glass jar and turn it upside down, it will create its own watering system. If you cut up a sponge and put it in the jar with a plant, it will regulate its watering. If your plants are infected with insects, cut up some chilies, mix them with water, and water them with this mixture. Chilies repel insects and are harmless to your plants. If you're tired of having dirt under your fingers when gardening, scrape some soap to create a layer under your fingernails. If you take some expired milk, put some soil in it and mix. Then you'll have a natural fertilizer for your plants. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the link, then you can pick up my free gardening guide.